Hello, hello. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you're doing super great. Ladies, today we don't have video conference, but we're gonna have we're gonna practice some vocabulary because next week we're gonna have a quiz. I don't know if it's next week or the other week, but we're gonna have soon our last quiz about vocabulary. Okay? Do you remember that the first vocabulary was about angles? So the angles were the first part of the vocabulary. Now the second part of the vocabulary it's about numbers from 0 to 99,999. Okay, it's difficult to read this number, but I'm going to give you three different videos where you can see and you can practice how to say these big numbers, okay? And how to say the basic math operations, which are four, okay? So you just need to click, all of them are in YouTube. And in this one, they talk you about big numbers. I'm gonna show you just a little bit about it. It's British, so you can understand. They give you the pronunciation of the number. They give you the written part of the number, which is very good. And they give you some examples, okay? So they give you how to read them properly. This is the first one, which is my favorite, but it doesn't have anything about operations. But in this one, they give you the name of the operation. Okay, hold on. It has an advertisement like YouTube has. And in here, this girl is saying the name of the operation. Okay, these are the names of the symbols like equal sign and division slide and multiplication, but also says how to say the verb. It means when you are in an operation, you don't say addition, which is the name of the symbol, you say add. So they explain you why add and why not addition, okay? And the last video that you're going to see today, they don't say anything, but they explain also the four basic operations. What is the name of the four basic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then how can you read the operations, which is the most important part. So they tell you what to say in each part when you are doing, for example, an addition. So they explain you what is the proper word that you need to use. This is the most important video. Okay, because the next part we are going to play and we're going to practice some vocabulary. So you're gonna click in here, and this is a memory game that you're going to play. Give me a second. You can skip advertisements here, and then you can start. You're gonna have 6 minutes to practice. You're gonna have 15 tries to do it, and you just need to click. This is multiplication, so you need to find the word when you listen multiplication. In this one, for example, says addition, so it's not correct. So you're going to do the memory game. You need to listen and you need to find. Sometimes it's operation like this ones, but sometimes can be it's not only the symbol, it's also a math operation complete. Okay? And in the last part, you're going to record your voice, okay, saying these operations. And then you're going to put it in Google Classroom. So girls, I hope you enjoy. This is a practice activity. It's important, the numbers. For that reason, we need to practice a lot the numbers, big and small numbers. Okay? See you then.